Today, we are tackling a topic that hits close to home for many of us, the struggle to stick to a regular exercise routine. But fear not, because we are here to turn those exercise woes into wins, one joyful step at a time. Let's get real for a moment. We have all been there, right? The alarm goes off, and instead of jumping out of bed ready to conquer the day, we hit snooze and bury ourselves under the covers. The struggle is real, my friends. But why do we do it? Maybe it is the overwhelming sense of exhaustion after a long day at work. Or perhaps it's the endless to-do list that leaves us feeling like there is just no time for exercise. And let's not forget about those nagging doubts that creep in, whispering that maybe we are just not cut out for this whole exercise thing. But wait, before you throw in the towel, be honest, the yoga mat, let's talk about how we can turn things around and inject a little joy into our workouts. First thing first, let's set some goals. And no, I'm not talking about those lofty, unattainable goals that leave us feeling defeated before we even begin. I'm talking about setting small, achievable goals that celebrate every victory, no matter how small, whether it's walking an extra block or mastering that new yoga pose. Every step counts. Next up, let's make exercise fun again. Remember when we were kids and running around outside was the highlight of our day? Well, who said we can't tap into those same sense of childlike wonders as adults? Whether it's dancing like nobody's watching, joining a recreational sport league, or simply taking a scenic hike, find what brings you joy and run with it, literally. And let's not forget about the power of community. Surround yourself with like minded individuals who lift you up and hold you accountable, whether it is workout body or a supportive online community or a fitness class filled with kindred spirits. Having a support system in place can make all the difference. Now let's talk numbers. How much exercise do we really need to reap the benefits? Well, the good news is there is no one size fits all. Whether you are young ritually or young at heart, there is a workout routine out there with your name on it. For adults aged 18 to 64, aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity aerobic exercise per week, along with muscle strengthening activity on 2 or more days per week. And for those golden age, which is people above 65 years, still follow this recommendation, but focus on balanced exercises to keep you steady on your feet. But hey, let's not get caught up in the numbers. And at the end of the day, it is not about how many minutes we log on the treadmill or how many reps we crack out at the gym. It is about finding joy in movement, embracing the journey, and celebrating every victory along the way. It might be as simple as just entering that gym and coming out. It might be as simple as just practicing for 30 minutes in a week without hitting the 75 minutes. But with time, we aim for a higher, longer duration. Let's face it, folks, exercise can sometimes feel like a chore, but it doesn't have to be that way. It's time to shake things up and inject a little fun into our fitness routine. Remember, the key to sticking with it is finding activities that speak to your soul and make you want to move that body. Think about what brings a smile to your face and get your heart pumping. Maybe it's blasting your favorite playlist and busting out some killer dance moves in your living room, or perhaps it's hitting the trails with your fully companion by your side. Whatever it is, find what lights you up and make you excited to get moving. And let's not forget about making exercise relatable. We are all human here, right? This means we all have our off days, our moment of self-doubt, and our struggles to stay motivated. But guess what? You are not alone. We are all in this together, navigating the ups and downs of the fitness journey with a little grace and a whole lot of grief. So let's make a pact, shall we? Let's commit to making exercise fun, relatable, and dare I say, downright joyful, because life is too short to spend this stuck on the sidelines. It's time to lace up those sneakers, grab a body, or go solo if that's more your style, and embrace the joy of movement. You've got this. So, there you have it, folk. The secret to sticking to a regular exercise routine isn't about sheer willpower or brute force. It's about finding joy in the journey, surrounding yourself with positivity, and embracing the process. one joyful step at a time. Until next time, stay happy, stay healthy, and keep spreading the joy.